Today I'm going to show you how to replace the lamps on your Genesis Air RGS Mini. First, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to open up the filter flap. Next, I'm use an Allen key to remove 2 screws. Next, remove the access panel, and this will give you access to all the electrical connections in the unit. Then you're going to use a 5/16 screwdriver to remove the lamps. There's going to be 2 lamps and a total of 8 screws that you'll remove. Alright, once you've taken out the screws, you can pull the bulb out slightly and remove the lamp sleeve, or the plugs. To do the plugs, wiggle them back and forth like this, and it should come out very easily. And then you can remove both bulbs. Now you're going to put in your new bulbs. Make sure to inspect them before putting them in, and make sure they're the same size as the ones that you've just taken out. Check for cracks, check for anything that looks suspicious. These look fine, so we're going to install them. To put them in, you may need to twist back and forth if they become stuck. These seem to go in pretty well. And move away any wires that might get in your way. Then we're going to put in the 8 screws. So you'll probably have to replace these lamps every 12,000 hours or 15 months. Some people round to just replacing once a year, and that's what we recommend at Genesis Air. After you've inserted all of your screws, you're going to reconnect the lamp plugs. So if the lamp doesn't plug in on the first try, turn the plug 90 degrees and push in again. You may need to wiggle it. Just make sure that the lamp plug is nice and snug. Do that for both sides. And tuck in your wires to be sure that they don't interfere. Next, you're going to put on the back plate, access panel, and use the 2 screws to reconnect it. When you're done screwing it in, you can close this filter flap and then plug it in and turn it on, and you should see a little bit of a blue glow on the bottom. Okay, and then this is the RGS Mini once you have completed your maintenance. If you have any questions, you can contact Genesis Air. Look on our website. Our phone number is also listed there. And any parts or tools that might be needed for this type of maintenance.